What's up, everybody? On this week, I'm just going to do a quick installation of my wheel spacers on the MR2.
Here are the 7mm spacers that I ordered off of eBay. Previously bought 5mm spacers from the same guy, so I know that these are trustworthy and good product. So had a good experience with the previous ones I bought, so just ordered the same ones, but slightly thicker from the same guy. You can see here's the 5mm spacer on here. Take that off. Hasn't been on here very long. Here's the 7mm spacer. Just go ahead and set that on. Take a look at this suspension. You can see right here, this is the part that was rubbing against the tire. Yeah, as I suspected, this 7mm spacer doesn't give you a whole lot of thread engagement to work with. Which is why I couldn't go with a even thicker spacer. Looks like I get maybe 3 or 4 turns on each lug nut. Wow. Maybe only 3. Hopefully that's secure enough once I torque it down with a torque wrench. Alright, this side is done. Let's go do the other side. Well, that's a little sad to see a little bit of the paint rubbing off on the inside hub. Okay, let's put on the 7mm spacer. 3 down, 1 to go. Okay, that's the last one on. Just finished torquing these down and we're done. Okay, all set.
Alright, so I've got these 7mm spacers now installed on the front, and I moved the 5mm spacers to the back. As I mentioned earlier, the fact that I had to use these spacers means I've effectively shortened the thread engagement for the lugs by 7mm on the fronts, and that's a little concerning for me. I only get about 3 or 4 turns on the lugs, and that might not be enough to keep the wheels safely fastened. Now, I did go on a pretty aggressive drive after installing these spacers, and nothing bad happened. The wheels didn't go flying off. And I retorqued the lugs after that, and everything looked fine. I plan to check that after every aggressive drive, so hopefully that would ensure that things are all good. But I'm also thinking about maybe ordering a set of the thicker spacers that have proper length studs on them, and that would give me a little extra peace of mind. Those would run at least 15mm thick, however, so it might be pushing the front wheels out a little too much. If you have experience with spacers, let me know what you think in the comments. Am I fine keeping it the way it is? Should I go back to 5mm in the front, or should I get the thicker spacers with studs to be safe? I certainly don't want my wheels falling off while I'm out on a canyon run. So let me know what you think in the comments below. That's it for this episode, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Stay safe, stay healthy, take care.